Hello, welcome back. Today we talk about burnout, but we talk about it in a calm way. No drama, no shame. Here is the main idea. Burnout is not weakness. Burnout is a signal. Burnout is a warning light. Like a warning light in a car. The light is not the problem. The light is a message. It says something needs attention. So if you feel burnout, you are not broken as a person. Your system is overloaded. Your system needs a reset. Let's keep it simple. We will do 3 simple resets. Sleep, walk, reduce commitments. Sleep, walk, reduce commitments. And yes, simple does not mean easy, but simple means clear. Now first, what is burnout? Burnout often has 3 parts. Part 1, you feel tired all the time. Not normal tired, deep tired. Part 2, you feel less emotion, less joy, less interest. You feel flat. Part 3, your focus gets worse. You start tasks and you stop. You forget small things. You feel slow. This can happen to strong people. This can happen to disciplined people. This can happen to hard workers. Burnout is not a character problem. It is a system problem. Now let's talk about early signs, because early signs are important. Here are some early signs. You wake up tired, even after sleep. Small tasks feel heavy, even simple emails, even small decisions. You get irritated fast. Small things feel big. You avoid people, or you avoid messages. You feel busy but not effective. You do a lot, but you finish little. If you hear these signs, do not attack yourself. Do not say, I am lazy. Do not say, I am weak. Say this instead. My system needs support. Let's do a quick self-check. Just 3 questions. Question 1. In the last week, did rest feel impossible, even when you had time? Question 2. In the last week, did you feel more numb than normal? Less joy, less energy? Question 3. In the last week, did your focus drop a lot? More mistakes, more delays? If you say yes to 2 or 3, take it seriously. Not with fear, with respect. Now we go to the resets. Reset number 1. Sleep. Sleep is not a luxury. Sleep is repair. When you sleep, your brain cleans itself, your body restores energy, your stress system calms down. So the first reset is simple. Protect your sleep for 2 nights. Not perfect sleep, better sleep. Here is a simple rule. Tonight, go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Just 30 minutes. And one more rule. 1 hour before bed, reduce stimulation. Less scrolling, less news, less bright screens. If you cannot do 1 hour, do 20 minutes. If you cannot do 20 minutes, do 5 minutes. Small steps matter. And please remember, you do not need to earn sleep. You need sleep to function. Sleep is a reset. Now, reset number 2. Walk. Walking is powerful because it is simple. It moves the body, it changes breathing, it helps the nervous system. So here is the rule. Walk for 10 to 20 minutes. Slow. Easy. And this is important. No podcast, no phone, no work calls. Just you and the walk. If you want, look at the sky. Look at trees. Look at buildings. Let your mind be quiet. Walking is not about fitness here. Walking is about regulation. It helps your system feel safe again. You can walk once today and once tomorrow. That is enough to start. Sleep, walk. Now, reset number 3. Reduce commitments. This one is the hardest because many people do burnout math like this. I am behind, so I must do more. But burnout does not improve with more pressure. Burnout improves with less load. So we reduce commitments. Not forever, not quitting your life, just reducing load for now. Here is a practical method. Pick 3 things on your list. 1 thing to delete, 1 thing to delay, 1 thing to do smaller. Delete, delay, do smaller. Delete means remove it completely if possible. Delay means move it to next week. Do smaller means do the minimum version. For example, instead of a perfect workout, do a 10-minute stretch. Instead of cleaning everything, clean one small area. Instead of writing a full plan, write 3 bullet points. This is not weakness, this is strategy. Because the goal is recovery, and recovery needs space. Also, practice 1 sentence today. Not now. Not now, not this week, not today. You can be kind and clear. I can't do it today. I need to reduce my load. Let's do it next week. Simple, respectful, real. Now I will give you a 72-hour plan. A small plan, no big life changes. Today, number 1, walk for 10 minutes. Number 2, delete or delay 1 task. Number 3, go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Tomorrow, walk again. Reduce 1 more commitment and keep sleep protected. Next day, do the same. Small steps, 3 days. In many cases, you will feel a small shift. Not perfect, but lighter. Now, one important note. If you feel burnout for a long time, or you feel panic, or you feel depression, please talk to a professional. Support is smart. But for many people, these 3 resets are a strong start. Sleep, walk, reduce commitments. Say it with me. Sleep, walk, reduce commitments. Now, let's close with a calm reminder. You do not need to quit everything to recover. You need to listen to the signal. You need to fix the system. Burnout is a signal, not a shame. Before you go, choose 1 reset for today. Sleep, walk, or reduce commitments. Write it in the comments, just 1 word. Sleep, walk, reduce. And if you want to practice shadowing, listen once for meaning, listen again and repeat with me, then do a 3rd time, slow and clear. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.